Urban commuting in 2025 looks very different from just a few years ago. Electric scooters are no longer niche gadgets, but fully fledged transport solutions, competing with bicycles, mopeds, and even compact cars. Advances in battery density allow for longer ranges without dramatic weight increases, while brushless motors deliver smoother acceleration and reliable torque on inclines. Safety has also taken a leap forward, with dual braking systems, wider tires for grip on wet asphalt, and integrated lighting that meets traffic regulations. What sets the latest generation apart is the fusion of performance with connectivity. App-controlled locks, ride statistics, GPS tracking, and even regenerative braking tuned through software. Choosing the right model today is less about "can it get me there?" and more about finding the perfect mix of efficiency, comfort, and smart features for dense urban landscapes. Kicking off our top 5, the MAXSHOT proves that practicality doesn't have to be boring. On paper, it looks like a commuter's dream. A 350-watt motor paired with a high-capacity battery gives you speeds up to 19 miles per hour and a realistic range of about 21 miles. That's more than enough to cover the daily office run or a quick city detour without hunting for the nearest charger. Safety isn't an afterthought here either. It's UL 2272 certified, armed with a dual braking setup that combines drum and EABS anti-lock systems, plus a bright headlight that keeps you visible in low-light conditions. But what makes the MAXSHOT stand out is its balance of portability and smarts. Weighing just 31 pounds, it folds down in seconds, so carrying it on the subway or stashing it under a desk is no problem. The LED display gives you clear real-time info, while the companion app unlocks deeper control from speed limits to remote locking. Add in honeycomb solid tires that shrug off punctures, and you've got a scooter designed to cut down on hassle while keeping performance sharp. It's not the flashiest model in the lineup, but as a reliable, user-friendly all-rounder, MAXSHOT earns its place in the top 5.
Sliding into 4th place, the Hiboy MAX Pro is all about striking a balance between everyday durability and tech-driven convenience. Its 350-watt brushless hub motor pushes speeds up to 18 miles per hour, while the high-capacity battery delivers up to 17 miles on a single charge, which is enough for most urban commutes. Certified through the rigorous UL 2272 safety standard, it promises not just performance but reliability in the long run. Where Hiboy shines is stability. The solid tire design and reinforced frame make the ride smooth, even when accelerating or cornering. And the triple light setup, front, middle, and rear, adds another layer of safety during night rides. The dual braking system combines a disc brake with EABS regenerative anti-lock technology, ensuring responsive stops without sacrificing control. For commuters who love smart integration, the Hiboy app is a real bonus. It connects via Bluetooth to let you lock the scooter remotely, check ride stats, or monitor battery health right from your phone. And when the trip is done, the Max Pro folds down quickly to slide into a car trunk, subway corner, or office nook. Add the option for a detachable seat, and Hiboy proves it's more than just a basic e-scooter. It's a versatile city companion.
Taking the 3rd spot, the Inmotion Climber lives up to its name with sheer power and engineering finesse. Unlike most commuter scooters that struggle on hills, this beast packs dual 750-watt motors, giving it the muscle to conquer inclines up to 36% while carrying riders up to 286 pounds. That's serious performance territory, but it's matched by control and safety. The Climber has passed UL 2272 certification and carries an industry-leading IP56 water resistance rating, making it one of the toughest scooters to ride rain or shine. Speed and range are equally impressive, with a top speed of 23.6 miles per hour and up to 35 miles on a single charge. The Climber goes far beyond simple city commutes. Its advanced battery management system lets you monitor each cell through the app, while overcharge protection ensures reliability trip after trip. On the road, thicker inner tubes cut down punctures by 30%, and the triple braking setup keeps high-speed descents safe and controlled. The Climber isn't just about specs, it's about freedom to explore. From smooth urban streets to challenging slopes, it delivers the confidence and durability that most scooters in its class simply can't match.
For riders who demand more than point A to point B, Inmotion delivers a machine ready for adventure.
Securing the runner-up position, the NIU K100F shows why this brand has become a global leader in smart mobility. Built as the successor to the popular KQi3 Max, it stretches performance to new heights. A 500-watt motor that peaks at 1,000 watts propels the scooter to 23.7 miles per hour, while its high-capacity battery delivers an impressive 37.3 miles per charge, enough to turn a daily commute into a week-long ride without recharging. Hill climbs up to 25% are handled with surprising ease, proving that NIU's engineering is more than just marketing. Comfort and control are where the K100F raises the bar. The advanced all-terrain suspension smooths out rough city streets, while 10.5-inch self-healing tires eliminate the constant worry of punctures. Safety is covered with a triple braking system, combining dual-disc brakes and an electronic brake, backed by a halo headlight, turn signals, and brake lights for full visibility. Even the design shows thoughtful upgrades. A wider deck and 25% broader handlebars provide added stability for riders of all sizes. Of course, being an NIU product, smart integration is baked in. The companion app allows riders to lock the scooter remotely, track riding data, and fine-tune speed settings, making the K100F as intelligent as it is powerful. Add a 2-year warranty and UL certification, and you've got a scooter that blends range, safety, and innovation into one of the most complete urban rides of 2025.
Claiming the crown, the Segway Ninebot Max G3 redefines what a flagship electric scooter should be in 2025. With a massive 597 watt-hour battery and Seg range technology, it offers an unmatched 50 miles of real-world riding, nearly double the endurance of most rivals. Add in the built-in fast charger that juices it up in just 3.5 hours, and this model is as practical as it is powerful. Segway engineered the G3 with long-term durability in mind. The high-strength aluminum alloy frame has survived over 12,000 miles of vibration tests and 500,000 suspension cycles, proving it's built to outlast years of daily commutes. 11-inch self-sealing tubeless tires handle bumps and potholes while automatically closing punctures up to 4 millimeters, giving riders a worry-free experience on varied terrain. Comfort and safety are just as impressive. Adjustable dual hydraulic suspensions paired with reliable disc brakes deliver a controlled, cushioned ride even on rough city streets. The ANSI CAN UL-2272 certification by TÜV Rheinland guarantees top-tier safety compliance, while the lighting package, including an adjustable 6-watt headlight and stylish underglow illumination, ensures visibility day or night. Ultimately, the Ninebot Max G3 isn't just a scooter, it's a statement. It blends extreme range, unmatched durability, and premium safety into one machine that sets the gold standard for urban mobility. For 2025, Segway proves once again why it remains the name to beat.
That wraps up our look at the best electric scooters for city riding in 2025. This year's lineup proves just how far the technology has evolved. Longer ranges that make daily charging less of a worry, advanced suspension systems that smooth out even the roughest streets, and braking setups that put safety front and center. Add to that smarter app integration, improved water resistance, and lightweight folding frames, and you've got machines built not just for convenience, but for real urban living. What stands out most is how electric scooters have shifted from being simple gadgets to becoming true transport solutions. Whether you're navigating rush-hour traffic, cruising through evening streets, or just looking for a cleaner, more efficient way to get around, today's scooters make the journey faster, safer, and far more enjoyable. In 2025, they aren't just an option, they're the future of urban mobility.